That was a MiG-3 that I built from when I was a beginner, and I made a lot of mistakes on it. Hello all, this is David from Sunward Hobbies, here to share with you 5 beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1 is starting off with a kit that's way too difficult. So you've made the genius decision to start scale model building, and worse off, you want to build ships. So instead of starting off with the easy 700 scale ship with less than 100 parts, you jump straight into the 350 scale Dragon kit with a parts count higher than the national debt. Bottom line, it's your first kit, be reasonable, start off easy. Mistake number 2 is applying CA glue directly from the bottle. So you're working on a delicate piece of plastic and you decide to do this. When what you should be doing is grabbing a precise applicator like a toothpick or a pin. Take your tiny bit of glue and apply it onto that, and then you avoid a mess. Mistake number 3 is using a non-hobby masking tape. And I still remember this one to this day. I was building one of my first ever model kits, a Revell 48 scale Spitfire, and I had just put the wings together, so I needed something to help brace them while the glue was drying. So in my stupid little head, I thought I should fuse them together with some Scotch tape. So, did that. Seemed to work fine when it was all dry and whatnot. But then I noticed as soon as I started putting paint on the area, it was creating these cracks in the finish. And sure, it would have looked great if I was doing a diorama of a dried up river, but I was not. And I learned afterwards the stupid mistake that I made. So, please, if you're using, or if you need tape for anything, whether it's covering paint or like what I was trying to do, hold something together while glue is drying, use a designated hobby masking tape. It really does make all the difference. Mistake number 4 is not clear coating your model. That is an essential part of the process. A clear coat helps protect the paint and the decals, and it gives your model a nice finish, which you have multiple options to choose from, like matte, gloss, satin, and you can use either liquids or aerosols. I mean, you wouldn't go outside without a coat, right? And the 5th and final mistake that beginners make is having no patience. Relax, calm down. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a model kit. So take your time, take a break every now and then if you need to. I assure you the difference in your work will be staggering. So, that is my 5 mistakes that I find beginners make. If you yourself are a beginner, hopefully you learned something here and you will have the confidence to get out there and start building. So, thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our socials, and until the next one, Adios. Is it 5 yet?